Hello team, this is Manas Tripathi here. Today I'll let you know how to create snapshot on LBM and how to restore data from that. I have added a new disk to my system and I'll now scan it to check to see it in the system. Now you can see that I have scanned my device tree. I have passed on this command echo on my SCSI host, and now you can see there is a new disk added to my system, that is of 5 GB. I'll create a PV. This has been created. I'll create a PG now. That's you can see not allocatable. What I'll do, I'll create a BG, create DevopsZone. Okay, this disk 5 GB. Yeah, it's created now. You can see it is allocatable now. Yes, so our BG has been created. You can see it here. I've created this VG. I've created this VG. You can see it now. You can see that I have created a LV of 400 MB of size. Okay, the LV name is DevopsZone. I'll create a file system on top of it, so let me do that. Dev also, it should be dev. So my file system is created now. Okay, let me mount this file system. Okay, let me mount the file system. I created a mount point. Let me mount it. Mount happen txt3, then devopsz and dvwall, and I should mount it on db data. Yes, they have been mounted now. Let me check it. db data. Yeah, so it is mounted now. Okay, now I'll go ahead and create an snap volume for my db wall that just I have created. So I have given 400 MB. The snap volume name is db snap ball, and my volume is dbvg db wall. Yeah. So db snap ball is created. What we can do is we can do lb display of dbvg. Okay, you can now check it that this is my db wall and this is my db snap wall. Okay, what you can check here is you can see that lv snapshot source of db snap ball active. Okay, and active destination for db wall. So I've created a snapshot now. So let's mount our db snap ball and see like what is the data in it. Okay, okay, I have now mounted the db snap ball on mnt, and you can see both of them is having the same the size is same, so there would not be anything else in that because they have just created. So I'll put in some data and then we see that it's been taking the concurrent data backups. So basically to do this exercise more fruitful, what I did is I've removed that snapball. I've created like I've copied some data into my DB data file system and then did a snapball again, so that we can have some data and we can actually differentiate that what's being changed or what's being what we are getting out of it, like how we are taking backup as a snapshot, and then so to mainly differentiate. So I have copied etc data to db data. So and I've created a snapball slash this db snapball and mounted that on slash mnt. So you can see 21 MB it is taking 6%. So as the snapshot has been taken, now let me go to db data folder, db data, and let me create some new files, like you know let me clear it. Yeah. Now what I'll do is I'll create some new file. Let's see, Ram Lakshman Sita and ls. Okay, this three file I have created. Okay, so this files has been created after my snap has been taken, like the snapshot has been taken. Let me go there, it should not be there. Sorry, it is an mnt, right? So let me go there. Okay, let me do no such file or directory. So now the real purpose comes, like there is a situation where your file system got crashed and you want to restore the data. Now you have a snapshot, taken, so you want to you want to have that you want to restore your data from that snapshot taken, so that like you will have a in data integrity in place, or have a correct data when the last snapshot has been taken. So let's do that exercise. So basically the restore, what I have to do is now like I have to do the restore from the snapshot. So it should not have these three files which we have created, that Ram Lakshman Sita. So let me do that. Let me demonstrate that to you. Okay, you can see now what I have did is I've created another volume called db data restore of same size, and then what I did is I have restored the data from the db snap wall to db data restore. So that operation has been done. So what I'll do is I'll mount this particular data restore mount point, and then I'll see is there the data available or not. Okay, you can see that I have restored the data onto db data restore. I have mounted that db data restore in slash mnt, and you can see it is having same 21 MB of data data as before, like we have that in snap wall. So let me do clear, let me get into mnt, and we'll see if we have Ram Sita Lakshman file or not. We'll see if we have Ram Sita Lakshman. No. And LA Ram Sita Lakshman. No, those files are not there. So it is as expected, we don't have the Ram Sita Lakshman file. So the last step what we can do is we have to, we have to delete this. You have to delete the snap wall to reclaim your storage that is being used by the snap wall. And because you no more require it, you have restored the data whatever you require, and you're good to go. And how to that again simple command what you have to do is lb remove, and let me give that should be dev dbvg and db snap wall. Here we go, remove. Yeah, that's remove. lb display dvvg. Okay, so dv dv data restore is there. We have not done deleted it, and we have deleted dv snap wall. That's deleted. Now it's now you got to know that how to how snapshot would be useful to create data backups and how to restore data from the snapshot. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button or leave your comments. Thank you.